So often on social media, we hear about the wonderful health benefits of ginger. Ginger is healthy for you if you're consuming it in the correct quantities. On social media, I hear people say, add it to your smoothie each day, take it raw. Ginger shots are wonderful for you, but they're not telling you the complete truth about ginger. Ginger is not without its associated health risks. If you're consuming ginger shots daily, you need to be mindful of how much you're taking. This is coffee. In this bag, I have added a half ounce of coffee. This is too much ginger root for you to consume daily. According to the FDA, you should not consume more than 0.14 ounces of ginger root. Now you may be wondering, how much is that? Well, this is a half teaspoon. If you're consuming this much ginger root daily, you're still consuming too much. If you're taking more ginger root daily than this amount, you could be negatively impacting your health. For those that are taking blood thinners daily, like many seniors are taking baby aspirins each day, if you're taking a baby aspirin each day, ginger is not a good thing for you. As a matter of fact, if you're taking any blood thinner, such as Warfarin, and there's a slew of others, if you're taking blood thinners, you should not consume more than 0.14 amount of ginger. And if it was me, I wouldn't consume any ginger if I was taking a blood thinner because it can increase bleeding. That's not what you want. And now for those of you with diabetes, you really must be careful. Now ginger is helpful when it comes to managing healthy blood sugars, but in the right amounts. Later this week, I'm going to produce a video and discuss with you, for those of you with diabetes, the health benefits and risks of ginger. For now, I'll tell you, if you are taking ginger root daily and you have diabetes, it's important for you to limit that consumption. You also should not have more than 0.14 ounces of ginger root each day. Having more than that can cause your blood sugar level to plummet. That's not what you want. So remember, when you're taking garlic, I keep saying garlic, but I really mean ginger. When you're taking ginger, it's important for you to be mindful of the amount that you're taking, okay? We're going to continue throughout this week with information on ginger. Let me know, would you like in the next video me to tell you about how ginger is positive, a good thing for your immune system? Or would you like me to tell you about the negative health effects of ginger when it comes to your blood sugar? Let me know and I'll do that video next. I'm Nicole Hart. Thanks for watching. Together we seek this knowledge and we share it. Share the video.